What if one day could remind millions of families that they are finally being seen? That's why Autism Awareness Day matters more than most people realize. Autism Awareness Day is not just a date on the calendar. For many families, it carries years of love, patience, progress, stress, advocacy, and hope all at once. It represents a life that often goes unseen by the outside world. Not because it lacks meaning, but because so much of it happens in quiet moments that other people never notice. For autism families, progress does not always look loud or dramatic. Sometimes it looks like getting through a morning routine with less overwhelm. Sometimes it looks like a successful trip to the store, a calmer school day, a new word, a new comfort, or a moment of connection that took months to build. These things may seem small to strangers, but inside a family, they can feel enormous. That's part of why this day matters. Not because one awareness day fixes everything, and not because families need applause for simply living their lives, but because recognition has power. When the world slows down long enough to acknowledge autism with respect, it sends a message that these children matter, these parents matter, and these families should not have to fight so hard just to be understood. And the truth is, awareness should never be the final goal. Awareness is only the beginning. Real awareness should lead somewhere. It should lead to patience when a child is overwhelmed in public. It should lead to kindness when a family is doing its best in a difficult moment. It should lead to better support in schools, more understanding in communities, and more grace in everyday spaces that are often built for everyone except the people who need that grace the most. Because what autism families need is not pity. They need dignity. They need inclusion. They need a world that knows how to welcome their child without making them feel like a burden for existing differently. That's why Autism Awareness Day can hit so deeply. It reminds families that their journey is real, their effort is real, and their child deserves to move through the world with respect. And maybe the most powerful part is this. Every time awareness turns into understanding, and understanding turns into compassion, life gets a little lighter for someone who has been carrying more than most people know. So maybe this day is really about more than awareness. Maybe it's about building a world where families feel seen before they have to explain themselves, supported before they have to ask, and welcomed exactly as they are. And for a lot of people, that kind of change would mean everything.